Yes. He has to do my door though, because this one won't. Okay, open my door. Thank you.
All right, guys.
Yeah. If you see a bus pull up behind you, you might have to move, but other than that, you're fine.
I got the door for you.
Thank you.
Mommy, I got the door for you, Mommy.
I'll have him wash his hands as soon as we get done.
I hold the door for you, Mommy. See it turn green?
Yep. Come on.
Yeah. Hey guys, Jessica!
How's it going?
Is your ice machine waiting on me to go?
It is, honey. It is.
All right.
Hey, you told your dad you'd wash your hands as soon as you came in the door.
Yeah. Hey, Mommy, can I put the camera? Hold on. Hey, Jessica, I'm so happy to hear that.
Go ahead.
Is your ovens going on, Mommy?
It's all right. They're already off, William.
Is your
No, one
broken,
of
Mommy?
them's on.
No, one of them's on and cleaning.
Hey,
I'm
Mom.
sorry, Michelle, and I knew it.
Hey, Mommy, can I do the button?
No, but look, it's got a stop green button
Hey,
up.
you know what,
Why
William?
don't you run it through
This
another
is the part. This is the
Yeah, we
part
gotta do a rinse cycle.
Hey, Mommy, can you show me how to turn this one on later on?
You can show them how to turn it.
All right. Close it.
Right there.
Yep.
We're back with
Just press and hold, right?
If you press and hold, it'll go into the calibration screen, remember? We don't need that.
Oh, Mommy.
Wait, hold on. I saw red light.
Y'all ready to put those in?
Oh, I'm ready, Mommy.
If you don't think they're too hot. Michelle, how many did y'all have left?
I think we only served this one after I talked to you.
Hey, Mommy.
I know.
I keep on this on.
Did it get
Which
a
one
little?
was it, like 124 or something like that?
It'll put a little bit of.
Oh, William's calibrating your touch screen for you, buddy. I told you he's been watching videos on how to work it.
Yeah.
Alright, turn it off now. It does make an awesome sound.
Sounds like an airplane or a spaceship.
Good job.
Sounds like a spaceship.
Good job. Almost sounds like a spaceship.
Hey, Jessica.
What's up, William?
You ready for the ice machine, Mommy?
We're ready for the ice machine.
All right, Mommy. Let's get on go.
You want to come look at the inside of the dishwasher?
Hey, why don't you shut it down?
I did and cleaned it already.
Clean it
Yeah.
up. Yeah, can you show me, Mommy,
Yeah,
already?
you want to look on the inside?
Yeah, I
Water
see.
squirts out here. It squirts up and then it squirts down here.
Oh,
Yep.
I see the conveyor belts.
And this is where it washes.
It starts up.
And then rinses over here.
It rinses over here, fills up.
Yep.
All
And then
right.
the water goes down that drain. See that drain pipe?
I see, yes.
Yeah. Pretty cool, huh?
It's cool, isn't it?
You want to see it turn on? That's it.
Oh, I just heard it.
Yep. And then it'll start filling, but we don't want it to fill, so turn it back off. Good job.
All right, I just heard it.
Yep.
All right, Mommy. Now can I do your ice machine thing?
Yeah, what do you want to do to it?
We're gonna do it. Yeah. Yeah. See that? All the ice comes in.
Yeah.
Hey, Mommy. Hey, Jessica. Hey, Miss Timpany.
Hey, William, are you getting near the compressor?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And don't forget Miss Erica.
Miss Erica. Nice to meet y'all. Yep. See that air ventilated fan? See that vents right here?
Yep.
Like that
Alright,
vent.
this is 6 lunches I'm putting in this.
Yeah.
What do we have to take out?
Yes.
Sandwiches?
That's the refrigerator, right, Mommy?
Put it on this tray.
So, Mommy, that's the refrigerator, right? So, mommy, that's the refrigerator, right?
Yes, that is a refrigerator. It's a pass-through cooler.
Oh, does it have compressors in it, mommy?
Yes.
Oh,
How
top.
many did we have left?
6.
Awesome.
Hey, Jessica.
Hey,
Jessica, I know I missed you.
I missed you too, William.
Hey,
Do you remember Dr. Evers, William?
Dr. Everett, yeah, do you know me?
I sent you a video last week.
She's the nice lady who sent you the video of the bus.
The lift.
Right.
Yeah. All right, mommy, you have 15 minutes. Hey, mommy,
What?
can I turn it off after when I hear this ding?
It'll automatically go off, William.
The whole thing?
He has autism. He loves this
Do you hear this fan going on? You like that? My mom always likes to be my help. Right, mommy?
stuff. That's right. I always need your help.
Yep. Yep. You see that ice machine? You like that, mommy? Yep.
Thank y'all so much.
Hey, hey, do you miss me?
Yes.
I missed you too.
She's not doing very well in isolation.
Yeah. Yep. Do you hear that fan going on up top? You hear that? Like that, aren't you, mommy?
Yep.
Yep.
Alright, is there anything else you want to take a video of? Daddy's outside waiting for you.
So that's the light that means it's in use, right?
That's correct.
It goes off when it's finished, right?
Yes.
Yep.
There you go.
There we go,
It's
yep.
still hot in here because we cooked all the fish in here today.
Yep.
Yep.
These are your budget
Yeah,
ovens.
look.
Oh, what is that? Oh.
See?
Same thing on your auto shams.
Mm-hmm.
So just same thing on the auto shams. You just close it.
Right.
Yep.
Alright.
And if I wanted to turn it on, I have
We
to
don't
get.
want to turn it on, William.
Yep.
Get ready for spring break, so everything has to shut down.
Yep. Refrigerators,
Yep, you want to look at the digital?
freezer.
Yep.
Yep. Right here.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Oh Lord, look at that. How cold is it?
It's cold.
It's cold.
Yep.
See that vents?
Yep. How cold is it in the freezer? Look.
How cold?
0.
0.
That's really cold, right?
Yeah. But I don't know if this camera is picking that up. See that vents? Right there?
Yep.
Yeah. Give you a nice tour.
Almost as tall as
Jessica!
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's enough.
That's enough. Oh, what is this?
I don't know what this
This
is.
is blast chiller.
It's a blast chiller, but we never use it.
We never use it.
Uh-uh.
Jessica, thanks for coming out. Yeah.
Alright, say bye.
Bye, guys.
Alright.
Yep. And here.
Let's put, you want to wash your hands again?
Yeah. Let me go ahead. Like to show you that again. Ice machine. Show you that review of the ice machine real quick. Here's the vents. Right there. See that vent? See that fan?
Alright, William,
And
that's it.
here's where you plug it in right here.
Look, I have a disinfectant.
Jessica, thank you.
You're so welcome, William. Here, give me your battery.
Yeah.
We'll disinfect it.
Yeah. Yeah. Spring break, so that means you shut everything down, aren't you?
Yeah?
Jessica, I hope you have a wonderful spring break.
Thank you, William. I hope you have a great one too.
Oops, sorry.
Yeah.
see Santa Claus bought him multicolored duct tape for Christmas. All right, come on, let's go.
Santa
Yeah.
knows exactly what people want.
Hey, Jessica.
Brilliant, that's it.
Yeah.
Come on. Daddy's outside waiting for you.
All right, guys.
Bye. Say bye to Miss Jessica.
Jessica, bye. Look at that, mommy.
I know. Don't come on.
Yeah. That's cool, isn't it? The door is open, so that's good.
Yep.
All right, mommy, here we go, sir. Your
Oh,
badge.
thank you.
All right, well, that's all right.